Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up the parental control, how to set up a family link on your child's VIVO V23. So at the very beginning you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device or just log in into child's Google account on your VIVO V23 device. So to do this, open settings, scroll down, click accounts. You can delete Google account, all Google accounts from this device. To remove account, click remove account, OK, confirm the pattern, and that's all. Now you need to add child's Google account, but you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. And therefore, you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password. So enter child's password, click next, wait a while, enter child's password, then click next, click I agree, tap accept. Cool. Now go back to the settings menu, choose Google, manage your Google account. Oh, I'm sorry, not manage, but parental controls. Click parental controls, click get started. Now click child or teenager, next. Wait a while. Select child's account here. And cool, now you need to log in into your Google account. So enter your email. Enter password. Click next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click agree, hello. Click next, scroll down and next. Scroll down again, click next. And cool, now you can go back to the home screen. Now open Play Store on your device, on parent's device, and find here Family Link application. Install this app. Click open. Go down, click get started. And you will see here your child's Google account. Click on it, and cool. Now you can see that you have full control of all accounts, of all child's accounts. And in my case, it's VIVO V23. It's on this device. You can lock it, you can full control of child's device, you can lock it, you can lock separate applications. For example, what I have unlocked here now, for example, I want to block the IMS application, so by clicking on the sandwich and clicking block, application will be locked on the child's phone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.